Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to use Google Authenticator app for Discord. If you want to add extra security to your Discord account, then you are watching the right video. It is very easy to use Google Authenticator app for your Discord account. All you have to do is download the Google Authenticator app if you don't have it. It is available on Play Store, so it should be easy to download it. Alright, once you have installed the Google Authenticator app, to set up the Google Authenticator, the first thing we have to do is open Discord. Now that we have Discord opened, what we want to do next is go to Settings. To do that, just tap these three lines on the upper left corner of the screen or just swipe right. And then tap your profile on the lower right corner of the screen. After doing so, the next thing we want to do is tap Account. But before we do that, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified whenever there are new videos, updates, and other content from our channel. Anyway, let us tap Account. And then what we want to do next is tap Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Just put in your password and then tap OK. After doing so, Discord will send a verification code on your email. Just copy it and paste it onto the text box. And then hit next. Alright, so let us just tap next. Now let us copy the code that is provided by Discord. And then let us go to our Google Authenticator app. Hit plus. And then enter a setup key. Now let us paste the key that we just copied from Discord. And then the next thing we want to do is input the account name. But I will just put Discord. After that, all we have to do is tap Add. Okay, let us hit next. Now let us go back to our Google Authenticator app. And then copy the code. To do that, just hold. And then let us go back and then paste the code. And we are done. That is how to use Google Authenticator on your Discord account. If this video helped you, then please share it to your friends so you can help them too. Also, leave your thoughts on the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching.